Hi, this is Gary Fong, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to override your auto white balance on your Nikon DSLR camera with custom white balance so that you'll achieve the spot-on accurate color. Now, the reason why you might be unhappy with the color that you're getting is because the camera is on auto white balance. The auto white balance is doing the best that it can under the circumstances to try to pick which color would be perfect. But the way that you want to get the perfect color would be to literally turn the DSLR into a color meter. And the way that you do that is I'm using the Gary Fong Lightsphere Dome, and this is also part of one of our color calibration kits, to use this as the dome for my color meter. So basically there are a few steps, and I'll show you. It's very, very simple on the Nikon series to do this. Step number one, put the camera on manual focus. The reason why you want it on manual focus is because if I put it on autofocus and put something in front of it, it'll never be able to focus because there's no contrast point. Number two, put the camera on program mode because we want the exposure to be completely accurate. Then, number three, we're going to go to the menu and we're going to go to the white balance menu. We're going to select white balance and preset manual and then measure. On the measurement, it'll ask you, do you want to overwrite the existing data? We say yes. And then it'll say, take a photo of white or gray subject. So this is what we'll do. I'm just going to basically aim this. I'm going to aim toward where the photographer will be standing. It's very important not to do it wrong. You don't want to be aiming toward your subject or model and then stick this on and measure it, because what you'd be doing is you'd be measuring the light coming onto yourself. You want to measure the light coming onto the subject. So walk on over next to your subject or model and then put this dome on, aiming it right back to where you were as the photographer, and then take that sample image. Then we're going to go down to, again, white balance, preset manual, use photo, and then it'll ask, do you want to use the photo in this image? We'll say okay, and then now we're completely set to shoot. The camera is on preset white balance, custom white balance. Now we're going to go over to where you're going to be standing and shoot. Like, say for example, if you have a tripod, go back to your tripod and then shoot back at the subject with this on, and you'll find that you've got spot on accurate color. So I hope this gives you really good results. If certain parts went a little bit fast, then just go back and rewind. That's the beauty of YouTube. I want you to have really great results with your photography, and I want to make it simple. So please subscribe to my channel and make sure to tune in often with more tips for your excellent digital photography. Thank you.